children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So children, today we are going to start part 3 of science. That is lesson number 2, plants and animals differ, for class 3. So all the third class students, take out your reader, that is page number 92. Okay, the human, animal, and next topic is our one big family. So before starting part 3, let us recollect what we have learned in the part 1 and part 2. Yes, in the part 1 and part 2, we will learning about how the plants and animals differ. Definitely by seeing them, we can identify कि हाँ plants है और animals में बहुत फर्क है. Okay, we cannot see that plants and animals both are same. Even in the human beings also, if you see one person as well as if you compare that person with another one, there are a lot of dissimilarities. Okay, so similarly, how can we say that plants and animals are same? They do differ, but how do they differ? Okay, so there were few things which is explained in this lesson. Like first thing was the movement. Movement in the sense how the plants move or how the animals will move. So when it comes movement, you know that plants do not move, but yes, animals, they will move. Okay, they have legs, few animals swim, few animals crawl, few animals hop. So this is how the plants will move, animals will move from place to place, and plants, they are stick only to one place. Coming to the food, plants also eat food, animals also eat food. But animals need to move from one place to another place in search of food. But plants cannot move from one place to another place. So they depend, or they can make their own food with the help of which process? Photosynthesis process. Okay. Next is what? Sense organs. Animals have 5 sense organs, that are skin, tongue, nose, eyes and ears. But plants do not have such sense organs. Some plants, only few plants are there, like touch me not plant. Okay, they can make a sense when we just touch them with the help of finger. But all the plants does not have any sense organ. Only animals have sense organs. With the help of sense organs, they can feel, they can react. Next is what? Breathing. Plants, they too breathe, as well as animals, they too breathe. But plants breathe with the help of what? Stomata. That stomata are present in their leaves, and with the help of stomata, they can take in what? Carbon dioxide, and they can give off what? Oxygen. And animals, they breathe with the help of lungs. But fish does not have lung, so they breathe with the help of what? Gills. Okay, they have what? Gills, and they will breathe with the help of gills. And few animals like insects, like flies and cockroaches, they have holes on their bodies, and that holes help them to breathe. Reproduction, again, plants also reproduce, animals also reproduce. Plants give birth to the seeds, and if you put that seeds, or we don't need to put that seed, even the with the help of that seed, the seeds themselves can grow into a new plant. Okay, so they give birth to a seeds, and that seed again give birth to a baby plant. And yes, animals, few animals, they give birth with the help of laying eggs, and few animals, they give birth to the young ones. Okay, so now in the part 3, let us see the human, animal, and next is what? Our one big family. So take out page number 92. Last paragraph, the human, animal. Let us read that. Men are also animal. They have all the features of animals. They move from place to place. They eat ready-made food, plants or other animals. Yes, so yeah. So human beings or men, we human beings are also a kind of animal. We talk, we walk, we move from one place to another place. And we depend on other things for our food. We prepare food, we cook food. But that food from where we are getting? We are getting from plants and animals. Okay, so we depend on other things in order to survive. Yes, so we human beings are also regarded as one kind of animal. We move from one place to another place, and we depend on the ready-made food. All the 5 senses are fully developed in men. They feel and they react according to the environment. They breathe through lungs. So like how animals have sense organs, we also have sense organs, and we breathe, we react, we talk, we feel, okay, and we survive. We have everything. So with the help of these sense organs, we can do so many things. And how do we breathe? Like how animals have lungs, we also have lungs, and lungs helps us to breathe. जैसा animals में lungs present होते हैं, वैसे ही हमारे पास भी lungs present होते हैं, and यही lungs हमें help करते हैं breathing के लिए. Okay, we also have 5 sense organs, which are कौन से 5 sense? Eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin. These are 5 sense organs, and this helps us to feel, react, talk, so many things, see, hear. Okay, so that's why men as well as animals, they have similarities. So it means man is also regarded as what? As a animal. Human being gives birth to the young ones. They look after their babies for a long time. So yes, like how animals give birth to the young ones, we human beings, we also give birth to the young ones. Okay, and yes, we look after our babies for a long time. जब तक बच्चे की शादी नहीं हो जाती, जब तक हम बच्चे को देखते रहते हैं, right? So yes, we look after our babies for a long time. Next, our one big family. Plants and animals are members of one big family, and we are members of that family. So we must protect them. We should not kill an animal or break the branches of tree just for fun. So yes, this environment, our surrounding, our earth is like a family to us. Okay, it is not like that कि हमारे घर के अंदर जितने members है सिर्फ वही family है. No, the whole universe is our family. Even the human beings, animals as well as plants and trees, because कहीं ना कहीं हम सब एक दूसरे के ऊपर depend है, right? Animals are dependent on the plants. Plants depends on what? On the nature. And we human beings, we depend on plants and animals. So we, all the things, everything which is present in the universe, they are depending on one and the other. So that's why it is like a family to us, and it is our responsibility, it is our duty to protect our family. It is not that you will harm our family. आप आपके घर में जो फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स होते हैं, आपका भाई होता है, आपकी बहन होती है, क्या आप उन्हें हार्म करते हैं? नो. So say like that only, we should not even harm the plants as well as animals just for fun. क्योंकि अगर हम प्लांट्स को खराब करेंगे, प्लांट्स को बर्बाद करेंगे, so we cannot survive, because plants give us what? Oxygen. Not only oxygen, it gives us food also. So if you are harming the plants, we cannot survive. And animals is also some on the other, that it is a process for the respiration, because plants, they do get, if the animals, they decompose, they get food from the animals. Okay, we are dependent on each other. So that's why how the plants are important to us, similarly animals are also important to us. That's why just for fun we should not kill them. Animals differ from plants, but they both depend upon each other. Plants and animals together make this world colorful and worth living. Birds sing, flowers bloom with fragrance, beautiful butterflies visit them, and many such beautiful things happen in the nature. As I said you, animals and plants both depend on each other. We human beings are also depending on plants and animals, but animals and plants, because these plants and animals, it makes the world beautiful. Okay, how? When you're getting up and early in the morning, 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, you can see the birds are singing early in the morning. So can you see that birds are singing during evening or afternoon? No. During the morning, birds are singing. So like that, it makes a beautiful voice, and if you heard that voice, it looks so much nice, right? So yes, the butterflies, the colorful butterflies and the colorful flowers, isn't it? It is making the world, it is making the environment beautiful. Not only it is useful to us, but if you see outside, if you go to a garden with the butterflies, with the birds, with the colorful flowers, you look like, wow, it's looking so beautiful, and it's a peaceful place for you. You like to sit, you like to come every day, right? So this is nothing but it makes the nature very beautiful. So all the plants, animals, birds, flies, human beings, we are like a family and we should not harm to others. Okay children, so with this we have completed lesson number 2 of science, that is plant and animals differ. I want you to watch the video as well as read the lesson, because in the class we used to make you to read, but now we are going for online classes and here I cannot make you to read, so it is your responsibility children at home. You take out your reader and you read the lessons. Okay, so yes, we have completed the lesson. Few question answers are left, that also I'll give you. Okay, till then you watch the video and understand the topic. Okay, yeah, so we'll meet in the next class. Goodbye and take care.